community na sobrang mahal na mahal ka. Birthday pa.
Sabi ko ni Shardy, ano daw ibang project gusto ko? Sayang, hindi ko nasagot. Thank you guys for celebrating my birthday. Community is very special to me kasi ito yung nag-save sa amin nung pandemic. So, thank you for supporting our cosplays. And please continue to play. Sino ng mga legendary dito? Papababa ako yung rank mamaya. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Grabe, Awi.
Birthday, Awi. At ayun, thank you din kay Cha. Ikaw din, mag-message ka pala kay Awi on the spot. Happy birthday, Awi. I wish you all the blessings. Ayun, and last but not the least, Principal, baka may mensahe ka para kay Awi.
Hi, Mahal.
Kinikilig ako!
Siyempre, I'm very proud of you. Yung sinabi niya kanina, we are very happy na sineselebrate yung birthday niya with you guys kasi community is really special to us. Ito yung game lang namin nung pandemic. Ito yung nag-save sa amin lahat. So this is very special for Awi. Ang message ko sa'yo is, mamaya. Mamaya meron kang battle pa sa akin.
Akala ko kung ano!
Alam mo na yan, I support you all the way and I'm very proud of you. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much for celebrating this special moment.
Sorry, sorry ka ba? Sabi na, nagawa ako dito. Sabi ko silang lahat. May nabigay mo sa akin yung ID mo. Bigyan kita pa. Thank you so much. Ayan, and may we invite yung mga kaibigan natin ng